How to buy things under $10 on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy things under $10 on your Temu account. So first of all, just simply open your Temu account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Temu account, all you have to do is just simply go to the search bar from here, from the top of the screen, and over here just simply select for the product that you would want to buy. So for example, you want to buy footwear, and after that, in order to see all the items under $10, all you have to do is just simply select the filters option from the top of the screen. And now at the left hand side of the screen, you will be able to see the option called categories. Just simply scroll up and you will be able to see the option called price. Just simply tap on it, and after that just enter the price range in which you want. So for example, if you want your product to be under $10, just simply select the minimum section, and over here just enter 1, and under the maximum section just simply enter 10. And now just apply this particular filter and click on show item. And now when you will search for it, you will see all the footwears under this particular filter will be under $10. As you can see, none of them are above $10. So this is the way you can filter the products under $10. So that's how you will be able to buy things under $10 on Temu. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.